Maritimes, when sex workers were interviewed and asked about their jobs, many of them said that there were advantages to being a sex worker and that they preferred being working girls to working a minimum wage job. Prostitution offers flexible hours, very good pay, and the women in some cases are in control of their employment and work out of their own homes. Many of the women that were surveyed admitted to being a primary caregiver for someone in their lives, to a child or a sick or elderly relative. Those interviewed talked about how the benefits of being their own boss and the advantages of being in control of their own work situations. Other benefits are the amount of income working girls receive in relation to the amount of time they spend on the job, which is significantly larger than if they were working at a regular part-time job, making $10 an hour, comparable to a few hundred. Minimum wage work, or jobs that are accessible to uneducated women, often have undesirable hours and scheduling, low pay, no job security or benefits, and poor working conditions. The gender income gap is far greater in the Maritimes than in other provinces, and the Maritime provinces also have some of the highest unemployment rates in the country. Sex workers don't want people to think that they are lazy and choosing easy money instead of trying to get a real job, but want people to realise that they do it because there are not enough part-time jobs available, and the jobs that are available do not offer other benefits. It is the government's responsibility to provide jobs with fair pay and benefits that cover their necessities and allow uneducated people to still provide for their families. Women don't choose prostitution out of laziness but of necessity, and if the job situation were resolved, less women would turn to prostitution.
Ta-da!